welcome back. It is the next day. I just been doing laundry and laying in the bed, really. But we about to have tacos, birria tacos. So I'm like super hyped to eat them. Sophia is in a room. I think she's still cleaning up, but she needs to take a shower and get ready just to chill out for the night. I think I am going to. I was gonna wash her pillows, but I'm probably not going to today. Well, I'll probably give you pillows for my bed. That's probably what I do. I just give you pillows for my bed. Give her a shower. Come on, so we get in the shower. No, we're gonna shower first, and we're gonna eat, and then make a mac and cheese. All right, crazy. So, just been chilling. Gotta go check on my laundry, and yeah. Oh, while she in the bathroom, I'm gonna have to show y'all what came in the mail today. Let me turn the shower on for her, so hold on. I'm so messy. These boxes are Christmas stuff, you know, Christmas toys for Sophia. And all of this is mine. Like, I have so many clothes. My rack is falling over. Like, clothes, jewelry, just everything is just a disaster. So hopefully this week I'll be able to get it done because I don't want to keep looking at it. I want to hopefully get it done before Christmas, before New Year's. So that is my plan. I can't wait to eat because I am starving. I hope we get to watch Jingle Jangle. We've been wanting to watch that on Netflix with Sophia, so hopefully we get to do that. Now let's look at these tacos. Alright, so it's, what time? It's like 12:10, kind of 8. I had like a couple glasses of Moscato, so you know, it was doing too much. So, since Sophia been bad for 2 days, she was good today. So Chippy, our little buddy Chippy is back. So I'm gonna put him in the, look at you back there. I'm gonna put him in on this cookie sheet. And I'm gonna put him in some flour like he was making a snow angel. But the thing about Chippy, our elf, is that his arms, like, they don't stay down. Like, I be seeing some people's elves and they arms be like chilling. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, but Chippy arms don't be like want to chill. Lay down, so, Chippy. Lay down. We have to put some.
I'm sorry, Chippy. I don't mean to hurt you.
Yeah, we don't want to hurt you, Chippy.
I'm sorry.
But
you're not laying right.
We want to make him do like a snow angel on the sheet pan. So we about to give this a try. I seen just people just use cookie, like, it's literally, it's not a lot of flour, Mom.
I know, but what about the smaller pan is what I'm saying. Because he won't lay down. You understand what I'm saying? So if you put, you know, you see what I mean? Like if you put, because it's almost like it's not gonna work in either pan.
Why? What do you mean?
I don't know, because he's not laying flat.
It's fine.
Damn. I take full responsibility.
You throwing me another bag of flour?
Responsibility if you've never had the conversation. I didn't know how. Okay. What do you regret? I regret that the whole incident happened.
Is that enough?
Everything.
Can I do it?
From me. How? Because of my lifestyle.
Let me watch before you start making suggestions. See, this we need a bigger pan.
Drug dealers. I used to be a stripper for 9 years. A stripper? Yeah. Okay, and let me rewind.
Can't help black folks.
How did you come from this lovely Caribbean mother? I don't understand. What's happening? How did you get there? Where was your dad? That's right now. But in prison all your life. Yeah. How old was your father went to prison? Like 16. 16. We had a great relationship. He would take me out of town with him. To do what? My dad was a hustler.
Is that good?
Hustler. What is that? He was a drug dealer. Your father? Did your mom know? Shit, he knew that when he came out of the house. No. He goes to jail 3 years later, he goes to parole. And then later, you're with another.
That's the best as you gonna get, shorty.
Yeah.
Fiasco. So I'm trying to.
Hey, you gonna leave him right here on the table?
Yeah. What do you think I should move?
That's the only place.
And he wasn't there. Why didn't you?
Since I ain't cooking them all.
Can we leave the flour too so it look like he made a mess?
Yeah, make it believable.
So there is Chippy. And the flour looking crazy as hell. It's alright. Sophia gonna be happy to see him in the morning. She been going through it.
You still ain't said if you're gonna buy me another bag of flour.
I didn't use that much flour. And you got mad flour up there still.
That's not mad flour.
That's a lot of flour.
Half
That is not half gone.
That's half gone.
And by the time I look back,
It's just the way you look at it.
Thank you for your help. Let me show y'all what came in the mail. I told y'all I'm not still doing shopping, okay? This is just, I wanted to get this for her for Christmas, the pajamas I was telling you guys about. They wasn't supposed to come to the 14th, that's what it said, but they came today right on time. I mean, yesterday was supposed to be on time, but they came today, so let me show you guys what it is. Alrighty, right. So, you know, American Girl always give you the magazine. And what I got was the pajamas. There's the pajama top. So you had to get the pajama top and pants separately. So this is the top. And these are the pants. And I got 2 of the pajama sets for her babies. So I got 2 of these for her babies. So they can both match. They can all 3 match for Christmas. She's going to love this. So this is going to be like a Christmas Eve gift that she can open. And it's just something small. So she'll be happy to see it, that she can dress like her babies and stuff. So, yeah. So I didn't get to do my lashes today. So hopefully I get to do them tomorrow. And I am going to wash my face and possibly go to bed. I'm gonna edit this video tomorrow so it can go up. I got this pimple right here, but I did get to clean my brushes, so I'm happy about that. My brushes got cleaned. Oh, I got one coming right here too. I gotta put my stuff on it. So I did get to clean my brushes. Thank God I got those drying right now. And yeah, so that is it, you guys. I look crazy right now. I'm gonna end this vlog tonight, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.